applause for the couples, please.
Ako kayo ba? Yay!
Alright, please take your seats. Now to welcome us all for this event,
Dana
please
na
help me
palikuran. Dito ka,
welcome
dito mo
Miss
doon ka.
Bernadita Soco to give us the welcome address.
Hi, Berta.
Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to ask an apology that I'll just read this. Malimutin naman ko din Goris na tanong. May makaligtaan. Ladies and gentlemen, guests, relatives, and friends, good noon and a warm welcome to this beautiful celebration of love. We are gathered here today to celebrate the union of the two incredible people, Igor and Christian. Today marks the beginning of a new chapter in their lives, one filled with love, laughter, and endless memories. We are so grateful to be part of this very special moment, surrounded by friends and family. We have come from near, far, and far to witness their vows and share in their joy. And let's cherish their moments. Banamas kanta no? Cherish the love, cherish the life. Oh, na. So, Igor and Christian, your love story is a reminder of a true partnership. So, without any further ado, let us give them a round of applause.
Thank you, Miss Soco,
Thank you. And God
for
bless.
welcoming us all. Alright, so we're going to proceed with the wine tasting.
Ikaw na. Ikaw na.
Requesting the newlywed couple to
Basa na ka.
beside me.
Ano ba? Mo naman na. Hindi gani, pero ikaw mo, may nga, mato na ka dito. Di memorize ka ni. Ha? Ano, di memorize ka ni mo daan? Ano pa din? Ano man? Ano man? Dahil luya din na, katanawa. Tanaw na sa pinko yun.
The spiritual significance of the couple's wine toasting is the blood of Christ, where the couple becomes one with God. It is also the symbol of the couple's union. Ladies and gentlemen, the wine toasting of the newlywed couple. Pakpaksan po, friend. Okay, ito. Wow. Hindi na yung hali babasa. Alright, thank you so much. And supposed to be mag-tapping of cake na tatalyo kung wala itong cake maabot. So now, we will now go to the most awaited part, no? Which is our lunch. Kay Morag 12 plus na yun. But before anything else, please help me welcome Father Rafael Salva to say the grace before meal.
Before the prayer for the day, I would like to share a little bit my word of gratitude and thanks for all of you for your decision as a newly pastoral wedding. So this is the time for you to share your witness, not only here, but to your whole life. So I wish you the best.
Zubin?
We appreciate one
Zubin daw.
another. That is the
Abdi,
one
nagkuha sa cake.
is living together. I don't know how to share the same love with you. but I know how to be patient. Keep choosing life that you decide to have. So this is my wish for you. Love one another, be patient, always. That is one of the things. So let us now pray for our name so that God bless us. In the name of the Father, and of the Holy Spirit. Pray for God. To give you thanks,